Good morning, children. In previous class, we had seen proportion of time. This class, we are going to see proportion of place. First of all, we are going to see what is meant by proportion of place. A proportion of place is a proportion of which used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. Today I am going to teach a few proportions which refers to place. Common proportion of place are on, it, in, by, up, down, between, among, in front of, behind, above, over, under, below, etc. So moving on to the first proportion of place, in. In indicates something being within something, inside the edges of something. For example, your towel is in the closet. I have found the keys in my pocket. In these examples, in is used to indicate that a thing is inside, something with closed edges. But there are many times when we use the proportion in with areas, regions, cities, towns and countries. For example, he lives in Australia. Now moving on the next proportion of place, at. At indicates an exact place. For example, I am standing at George Street. Another example, the shop is at the end of George Street. In both sentences, the word at indicates exact location of the person and the shop. The next proportion of place is above. Above indicates a much higher position and something out of reach. Example, the cloud is above my head. In this sentence, the cloud does not touch the head of the child. So we use the word above. The next proportion of place is over. Over means a position between on and above, which is not touching any surface. Example, a bird flew over my head. In this sentence, the bird does not touch the head of the child. It flew over his head and it is in position between on and above. The next proportion of place is under. Under is the opposite of on and means below the surface of something. Example, the carpet under my feet is very soft. One more example, the cat is under the table. Here, the cat is sitting below the table, below or under the table. The following proportion is below. There is a slight difference between the proportion below and under. Below indicates something at a slightly lower position than what the word under indicated. Example, I have a scar just below my left eye. In this sentence, a scar slightly lower position that what under would have meant. The next proportion of place is among. Among indicates something or someone in the middle of three or more other things or persons. For example, the dog is among the boxes. The next proportion of place is between. Between indicates something or someone in the middle of the two other things or persons. Example, the dog is between the boxes. There is a difference between the words between and among. Between it is used in case of two objects, two things or people. But among is used to more than two things, objects or people. Understood, children? Okay. Now move on. The next proportion of place is beside. Beside means at the side of or next to something. For example, the car beside the cycle is mine. The next proportion of place is in front of. In front of means a position facing someone or something. Example, he parked his car in front of my house. Next proportion of place is behind. Behind means at the back side of something. Something might be out of sight. It is opposite of in front of. For example, Sid is hiding behind the tree. Portion of place is by. By means near to or next to something or someone. For example, the poultry farm is by the stream. Hope you understood. Thank you, children. Stay home, keep learning.